Safe laboratory practices and procedures. 1. Dress for work in the laboratory. Wear clothing and shoes that cover exposed skin and protect you from potential splashes. Tie back long hair, jewelry, or anything that may catch in equipment. 2. Never eat food and drink beverages inside the laboratory. 3. Use a chemical fume hood or biosafety cabinet, as directed by your supervisor. 4. Report damaged electrical equipment to the supervisor. Do not use damaged electrical equipment. 5. Practice good personal hygiene. Wash your hands after removing gloves before leaving the laboratory, and after handling a potentially hazardous material. 5. Never pipette by mouth. 6. Do not apply cosmetics in the laboratory. 7. Keep floors dry to avoid slipping. Attend to spills immediately. 7. Do not taste any chemical. 9. Properly segregate and dispose of all laboratory waste. 10. Know the proper emergency response procedures for accidents or injuries in the laboratory. 11. Immediately notify the supervisor of any unsafe conditions. 12. Don't play mad scientist in the laboratory. Another important safety rule is to act responsibly in the laboratory. Don't randomly mix chemicals to see what happens. The result could be an explosion, fire, or release of toxic gases. Similarly, the laboratory is not the place for horseplay. You could break glassware, annoy others, and potentially cause an accident. 13. Know the location of safety equipment. In the event something goes wrong, it's important to know the location of the safety equipment and how to use it. For example, does water actually come out of the safety shower? Does the water in the eye wash look clean? 14. Label your workspace. All containers should be labeled with their contents. This is crucial so those working near you and anyone visiting the lab will know what hazards may be present. 15. No contact lenses should be worn around hazardous chemicals, even when wearing safety glasses. 16. Do not work alone. Avoid working alone in a building. Do not work alone in a laboratory if the procedures being conducted are hazardous. 17. Never leave containers of chemicals open. 18. No emergency exit routes. 19. Use equipment only for its designated purpose. 20. Each time you use glassware, be sure to check it for chips and cracks. Notify your lab supervisor of any damaged glassware so it can be properly disposed of. 21. No emergency phone numbers to use to call for help in case of an emergency. 22. Always work in properly ventilated areas. 23. Never leave an ongoing experiment unattended. 24. If you are the last person to leave the lab, make sure to lock all the doors and turn off all ignition sources. 25. Never lift any glassware, solutions, or other types of apparatus above eye level.